A lot of students will see this question and immediately jump into conclusions. They will jump into the conclusions of saying, oh, the answer must be 8. But will they be correct? Let's find out. In solving this question, you would know that you apply BODMAS, yes? But how does BODMAS actually work, or BIDMAS, or PEMDAS, as it may be in your region? How does it work? We all know, okay, it's a written rule. I can't say it's unwritten actually because it's written. Okay, so brackets, parentheses, order, which is the same thing as index or exponents, okay? But you will find out that in BODMAS, division comes before multiplication, division comes from multiplication in BIDMAS, and multiplication comes before division in PEMDAS. Okay, so what's the relationship there? What's actually going on there? If I say that the answer to this is 8, because I say half times 2 is 1, and I say 8 divided by 1 is 8, would I be correct? No, because what BODMAS actually says is that once the arithmetic only involves division and multiplication, you do whichever comes first, starting from your left. Okay, so rather than say half divided by 2 or whatnot, yeah, half multiplied by 2, rather than say half multiplied by 2 and getting some ludicrous answer, you should start from the left. Okay, you don't do this first, you start from the left. So you say 8 divided by half, and that will give you 8 multiplied by 2 over 1, which is 16. And then ultimately you say 16 multiplied by 2, which will give you 32. And that is how BODMAS works, especially when it comes to relationship between division and multiplication. The same works with addition and subtraction. Anyway, the same relationship works with addition and subtraction. It's not really always noticeable because usually you always get the same answer whether you do this first or that first in addition and subtraction. But that is how the law works. You do which one comes first when you start working from the left. All right, thank you for coming to this class today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.